In this video, we're going to be unboxing the Sigma 18-50mm F2.8 lens. This is a digital crop lens for mirrorless cameras and it retails for around $589. The box is black and white and it comes covered by a thin plastic film, which you are about to remove now to see what comes in the box. Based on the region that I'm in, I also got a 3-year warranty. So when you open the box, you get the limited warranty paper and there is other documentation. You have the manual, which has a lot of information. As well as a small pamphlet. This is the limited warranty terms and conditions. And this is a 3-year guarantee. The box itself is neat and it doesn't have a lot of things. It just has the lens. The lens is in this casing, which is light, off-white, and made of paper material. When you open it up, you get to see the lens and the lens hood. This is the lens hood and it's inside a plastic paper. It goes in front of the lens. This is the Sigma 18-50mm lens itself. It's got some weight to it, but it's not that heavy. It weighs 290 grams. This is for the E-mount system, which means Sony cameras. On the other hand, you have the lens cover. On the side, you have the labels. 18-50mm, which allows you to go from wide to telephoto. Then the confirmation of what lens this is, 18-50mm DC-DN. The cross 0 and 55 is the filter thread size. To remove the lens cover, just press in and it comes out. At the back, just twist and it will expose the mount point. I'm going to use this lens as the kit lens replacement on my Sony A6700. Write down in the comments if you know what 021 means. It goes from 18-50mm, very smooth. In and out is very smooth. To close the mount point, just twist the cover clockwise. To open, twist anti-clockwise. To put the lens hood, just take it and put it at the top. Twist clockwise and it will get into place. As you can see, it is firmly in place. It also has the same numbers as that on the lens itself. 18-50mm F2.8 DC-DN for crop sensor mirrorless cameras, and the crossed 0 and 55 for the filter thread size. Zooming from 18 to 50 is still smooth even with the lens hood. The lens hood also has a label that shows you how it goes in and out. To remove it, just twist it anti-clockwise. That's it for this video, where we unbox the Sigma 18 to 50mm lens for Sony APS-C E mount cameras. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.